Welcome back to another video, guys. We are in the truck and we are doing our next mod, which is something I've done many times in the past, but we have some LED lighting going inside. I love lights inside the truck at night, so I'll take you along, show you what I'm doing. But as always, make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get to it. We are on the passenger side of the truck. This is an LED glow light kit. It comes with a control module. It comes with all the wiring. We want a nice, clean, fresh look. Now, in our last truck, we were able to put the little control module hidden inside of the little compartment there, which is the same thing we're gonna do. We are on the passenger side because this has the best fuse panel with plenty of options. I already have this one wired in, but we have it into a 10 amp that works the cab lighting. It may work some other stuff, but I know when I unplug it, the cab lights go off. So all we got to do is we just cut this off and we run a power wire to our expandable circuit. So you wire this into the red and the black. If you can see, we always use a factory bolt, which factory bolt right into that metal for the ground. Now, when you put this back together, we have a light on each side. We've got the back seats ran. So these, we're just going to use zip ties, and with zip tie them up underneath. There's plenty of stuff up here to grab too. For the front, we're gonna zip tie up under the dash as well. And there's a small groove right here that this kind of slides into, but there's a gap so you can keep everything tucked in there. I'll show you that here in a second. When you're running your wires to the back, follow your center console and make sure you stay away from your tracks so you don't cut any wires. And just like that, we're done. 30 minutes, quick and easy, and it's such a cool little cheap upgrade. Now, when you open the door, you do see the control box. That's where I wanted it, and you could have tucked it in down below behind this panel. It kind of just fits in right there. I can still see the mode select buttons. Now, it does go to the sound of music and do all kinds of stuff, but I like it on a fade feature. It's kind of what I've always had it on. Everything is hidden behind, goes under the seat, and we have one side, and you can see the other side lighting up there. And then of course, this is the side that had the most wiring because our power is in the fuse box on the passenger side, but we have it wired up, super clean. Everything is tucked away behind that panel. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna try to get some more videos out. I want to get back into making videos again, whether it's farm stuff, because we've been doing a lot of that. We have some new hay machines. We'll be doing some truck stuff. At some point, I will be getting a new truck. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll try to link these, but they're super easy to find. And that's gonna wrap it up. So we'll see you on the next one.